Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is white. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Location. Then tap on this switcher at the top to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!